Got that 1978 GMC pickup all done. Stay tuned. Welcome back. Another episode of FranknCarrie's Homestead Models. Anyway, we got that Revell model done. The 1978 GMC Big Country pickup. Didn't paint it like that though. So have you seen through this build some of the details? It was good detailed on this kit. Also, they could have done a little better on the interior as far as like on the door panels. There was nothing there for door panels. They could have detailed that a little bit more. Ran into a couple problems on this build. A couple of the parts didn't fit. They was too short, but I made them to where they would fit. And that was like on the shock absorbers, just a hair short, but I got them to where I made them work. Another thing was on the frame. On the back of the frame, it was actually lower than what it needed to be, so it threw the bed onto a little tilt. I had to correct that. As you've seen through the video, on the build, didn't paint it like it shows on the box. I was thinking outside the box of what I wanted the outcome, and that it actually turned out really good. It's a good build. If you like building model pickups and that, and use your imagination, there's a lot of things you can do with this model. You know, it takes time. I've learned patience on doing models, and that's what it takes. It takes a lot of patience when you build a model, because you know you're gluing, you're painting, you got to let stuff dry. But while it's drying, and that, you know, think what you want the overall outcome to be. You know, I showed you how to make mud to put on your models. That one turned out really well, as you'll see. You know, once you get your model built, and before you put like mud on it, anything like that, go back, look at it, see if there's any touch-ups you need to do. Make sure you got everything to where it looks good, how you want it. Then you can add the other details. You want to use decals, you can. I look at, in craft stores, I look all over. I'll show you something here real quick. I found these. It has the right size of stickers right here to use on your model. And you'll see that in the pictures and in a short video here in a minute. It has the bigger ones. I used one of those on the spare tire on the cover. I put one of those in it. All I had to do is trim it out a little bit to make it fit. But I found that in the sporting goods area. But, you know, just look around and, you know, Save your decals off of old model, off your other models you don't use. You may be able to use them parts. Save parts that you don't use in your other kits. That's where, on this build, that's where I found some little things that look like the hinges for the tailgate. You know, just a little detail, but they're there. You know, use your imagination. I did pick up some Gorilla Super Glue. That helped on the mirrors on this build, the outside mirrors, because your regular tester's glue, whether you use the blue or the red, they don't dry fast enough to hold them, unless you want to sit there and hold them for yourself. Other things I use is these little clothespins. They work good for clamping things. You know, it's and in your craft area, you know, you can find these bottles of acrylic paint. This is one that I use for the mud. It dries nice. You know, yeah, it's on top of the enamel paint, but it ain't gonna hurt nothing. But anyway, without further ado, here's a video of the model and pictures. I'll probably add some music to it for you, and I'll catch you on the other side of it. Welcome back. I hope you like this build. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe. But most of all, smile today and smile tomorrow, and you're going to smile all week, guaranteed. And here's some suggested videos for you. While you're here, why don't you check out some of these other videos? It's going to be right up here, right in this area over here somewhere. Just watch it for in this area over here.